All right, stabilize your blood sugar to stabilize your mood. Welcome to day 4. One of my favorite topics is just to balance blood sugar because nobody wants to be on an energy roller coaster and nobody wants to feel like a grouch. Nobody wants to be that person. But today we're going to connect the dots to make sure that it isn't you that's grouchy and irritable and frustrated. It isn't you that's unpredictable on the energy roller coaster. We're going to talk to you about getting your blood sugar so stable that you are the rock in your relationships. You are the creative genius, and it all starts with balancing your blood sugar. Instead of sugary pastries or bread, rice, cereal, pasta that spike your blood sugar, we're gonna get you off the morning sugar train. We're gonna get you off the caffeine sugar train first thing in the morning. You crash in the afternoons oftentimes because you set your day up for failure right out the gate by eating all the sugary pastries and the cereals that basically are marketed to you for good brain food or good heart health or breakfast of champions. What lies? Essentially, these are all driving irritability, anxiety, intense cravings later in the day. It's all a setup. You've been duped. And so it isn't your willpower that's struggling here. Instead, it's you fighting against the machine. You've set your body up for a roller coaster ride and you got to get your balance back in order. Rhythm. Oh my gosh, there's that word again. Day 4 is all about balancing the blood sugar. We got looking at your blood sugar through healthy food, through hydration, through good sleep. When you start your day right, you'll hear me say this all throughout the 7-day challenge, you'll end it right. We are going to stop riding this energy roller coaster by feeding our body well in the morning and break the fast appropriately. When you look at a strong, healthy breakfast, you're looking at proteins, warrior foods. You heard us talk about it yesterday. Chicken, fish, turkey, eggs, beef, lamb for breakfast. Yes. And no starches, no carbs. I would absolutely challenge you to just get this one right. Day 4, stabilize your blood sugar by eating only protein for breakfast. No vegetables at all. I know, no fruit at all. I know, sounds crazy. Black coffee or black tea. I'm telling you, eat protein and fats for breakfast and watch how your day unfolds. Ask yourself, no matter what happens today, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, where's my protein, buddy? If you eat any type of food off the Dr. Chapa wellness plan and you feel your mood a little bit wonky, ask yourself, did I eat a protein buddy at my last meal? Snacks are where people really botch this because they eat a cookie with no fat. They eat a candy with no fat, a protein bar even, crackers with no healthy fats. And that inability to stabilize that spike puts you back into that roller coaster ride. And if you're on it from day point hour out of bed to the end of your day, it is a rough day and it sets you up for not so good success. So let's put some apples together with some almond butter or hummus with our crackers. Let's get a piece of dark chocolate because it's a brain food rather than, milk chocolate. Look for healthy, high fat, high protein, quality fat, quality protein versus carb snacks. Give your body something to hold on to as a rock, as a foundational log, a pillar. Your day 4 action plan is essentially no carbs unless you're going to consume protein. You've got to put the protein with the carbohydrate. When you reach for a carb today, what are you going to ask yourself? Where's my protein buddy? This one rule has changed so many thousands of lives in my office. No more sugar cravings, no more energy crashes, no more brain fog, no more moody behaviors. You're learning and leaning in to feeding your body like a champion, a true champion. You are going to see your body be more consistent, more creative, more alive day in and day out every day as you get these challenges integrated into your month, into your quarter, into your year. Tomorrow, we're going to dive into the next huge piece, the T method. The thoughts, emotions, and actions of the day, starting how we heal through our thoughts and our mindset. And we're going to give you some simple, powerful, wonderful, cool ways to stabilize your thinking so that you can see the best version of yourself every time you look in the mirror and see that you're worth investing in one bite at a time. Guys, today's a short video, but remember, blood sugar, protein buddies, healthy fats, your day is going to be more stable than ever. I'm excited to see you in day 5. I hope you're having a good time going with me on this journey. We'll see you tomorrow.